My dad has a thick accent. He takes the H out of words. It's always at the worst time. One time I was playing video games at home with my friends. My dad came in the room, turned off the Nintendo, and lectured us. He's like, I studied hard. I graduated TURD in my class. I'm like, did he just turn third into turd? What? My friends are laughing. You were turd? Yes, I was turd. It wasn't easy to be turd. I had to push and earn that turd all by myself. I'm just hiding in the corner like, Dad, stop, you weren't turd. I was turd. One guy tried to take my turd, but I work hard for turd. I became turd, I made that guy fart.